how to delete any particular chat in your Claude account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can delete chats in your Claude. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch our Claude interface. And then in order to access all of the chats, we're going to click onto this particular tab right here over the left hand side, that is chats. Click onto this chats option, and from here you can either search for that particular chat which you wish to delete or simply choose from here. Also, you can select multiple chats at a time. So for example, let's say if I wish to delete these two particular chats, I can simply select them, and once I select these two chats, I have this option of either to move these chats into a project or to simply delete these two chats. So in order to delete these two, I'm going to click onto this trash bin icon, and it says, are you sure you want to permanently delete these chats? This cannot be undone. So yeah, make sure that there is no recycling option. So this will be a permanent step. If you wish to proceed, click onto this delete option, and you will see that both of these chats have been successfully deleted. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.